Put 70 knots, 75 knots in there. Yeah, we're still 12 pounds too short. Alright, how you guys doing with video? We're kind of at the northern tip of Rockport.
You still recording right now? I'm interested to see what all these are over here. The western side, I bet took a brunt of this shit.
There's some hangars down at the airport over there too. Will you text off normal Rockport on this?
Sure. A lot of shit happened on this side.
When you say, oh shit, that scares the hell out of me in the helicopter.
Sorry. Talking about all the devastation on the ground.
You've seen one house torn apart, you've seen them all. You're right though, man. There's much damage over here.
There's nothing blocking it coming from this side.
Yeah. We're gonna go into Rockport, land, and close the doors, and head up to Victoria for gas.
Cool.
They good over that, Jason?
Roger.
Okay. Turn atrium back on, please.
There you go. Sure.
Thank you. We'll do one pass because some of the hangars up here are messed up too.
Okay.
Rockport traffic, aircraft 72303 is 2 miles to the south and west, inbound for orbit around the airport facilities, and we'll be in flight.
Port landing. Instruments, warnings, Academy. Landing line is how you want it. Crew passenger mission equipment, you guys good in the back?
Yeah, we're good.